How to download WeTransfer file. Downloading WeTransfer file is quite easy and simple. Just make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, let's open WeTransfer. First thing first, open any browser of your preference, and on the web address bar you can search for WeTransfer.com. Press enter on your keyboard, and then you will get access to the official website of WeTransfer, where you need to simply sign into your account. Then here is the option of upload files. Simply you can click on this plus button and you can easily transfer a file. After that, let's click on open. Here you can select the email, and once you have done that, you can simply edit the title, and let's click on the three dots where you can search for or select get transfer file. And after that, click on get a link. Wait for a while until you get the link. So only about 1 minute is remaining. As you can see that we have successfully get the link of that file. So simply you can click on copy link, and then on the new tab you can easily paste the link and open it. And once you have done that, make sure you have also accepted the terms of services, and then here is the download button. Let's click on download, and your download has already been started, and after it gets download you can easily save that file or folder. So let's click on it and open it. So here is it guys. So in this way you can easily download any file or the WeTransfer file on your PC or on your other devices. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.